Hi everyone, here we've got Alcatel 3X from 2020 and let me show you how to close all running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it by tapping on this three bars icon. Let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously opened apps. If you want to close one of it, just find it and swipe it up, just like that. But if you want to close all of them, just tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to our homepage, so let's open the recents and check. Here we've got no recent items, so it means that we successfully closed all running apps. So that's all. This is how to close background apps in your Alcatel 3X 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.